what type of mindset do you have? Are you a fixed mindset kind of individual, or are you a growth mindset kind of individual? And I know you're wondering, why are we speaking about mindsets? But remember, in every aspect of our lives, when it comes to finances, when it comes to relationships, when it comes to how we handle our daily businesses, our jobs, and everything that pertains to us as individuals, our purposes, it all comes down to many things. But one of the most important is the mindset. So what type of mindset do you have? Are you the kind of person that is inclined towards growth? Or are you the kind of person that believes who you are is simply who you are, and you cannot change anything about yourself? And I know right now I'm asking you, what type of mindset do you have? And I'm asking, are you inclined to growth? Everyone will say that yes, I love growth, that I desire to grow. But then, does it show? Does it show in how you carry yourself? Does it show in the actions that you take? One of the biggest ways that you can tell that you are a fixed mindset kind of individual or a growth mindset kind of individual is ask yourself a very simple question. Who do you believe you are? And the kind of person that you believe you are, do you think you can change that person? Are you the kind of person that believes people are born with certain privileges, that a certain group of people is destined to make it in life and another category of people does not make it? Most of us have grown knowing that, we've grown knowing that it's only a specific kind of people that were destined for greatness. And no matter how much you try, you really can't get there, right? And I can say it's not entirely our fault. Let's say it's the society we've grown up into, but you can change that. The person that you are right now, the person that you are today, you can change that person if you're willing to, okay? So that is why I started by asking a very simple question. What type of mindset do you have? Do you have a fixed mindset, or do you have a growth mindset?
Welcome to Financially Fluent with Jacky, your dedicated and safe space to master your money. We believe that true financial freedom is within everyone's reach, and our vision is to transform complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. Financially Fluent is committed to helping you not just manage your wealth, but actively grow it, empowering you to confidently navigate investments, budgeting, and long-term wealth creation. Aside from our comprehensive online learning, we also offer dynamic live workshops and provide the necessary tools you need to immediately start your journey of mastering your finances. Join our growing community here by subscribing to our platform and connect with us physically by sending an email to learn about our in-person events. Let's build your financially fluent future together.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode on Financially Fluent. I am your host, Jacqueline Mutuma. So today's episode, I decided to start with the mindset part before I can go into money management for beginners, because in everything, in how we handle our finances, I will come here and I will say we need to budget, we need to save, we need to have an emergency fund. But if your mindset is already fixed, if you believe you cannot change anything about your finances, no matter how many times we talk, no matter how many times we discuss, nothing is ever going to change. Okay? So first of all, you need to change your mindset. Have a growth mindset, okay? A growth mindset understands the position that you are right now, and it acknowledges the small steps that you make to change your current position, okay? So let's say you have too many debts, A growth mindset will acknowledge that, yes, I have so many debts. After acknowledging, so what am I supposed to do? I am going to arrange these debts in ascending or descending order, depending on how you want to tackle those debts. And then I am going to give it my all. on a weekly or a monthly basis or a quarterly of an year basis, I am going to make sure I tackle one debt at a time. Yeah, an individual with a growth mindset that does not let failure or the situation they're in define who they are. They see failure as a foundation for success. Okay, so the same way we have foundation for the houses that we build so that the foundation can hold the entire building. An individual with a growth mindset sees failure as a foundation for success. This is not the time to be running helter-skelter, trying to take up loans so that you can invest in a money market fund because everyone is doing that. No, do not let FOMO, do not let the fear of missing out drive you to doing something that you do not have the capacity for yet. So remember, there is that word yet. At some point, you'll be able to do that. But where you are with your finances right now, accept that situation first and then think of a way to get out of that situation and start building your wealth. All right? So guys, let's get into money management for beginners, okay? There are 4 categories that I like to divide money management for beginners into, okay? And the first one, the very basic and the very obvious, is budgeting, okay? After budgeting, we have savings and investing, okay? So savings and investments go hand in hand, but savings have to come first before you can invest, okay? So after savings and investments, we have debt clearance. And after debt clearance, we have emergency fund, okay? So yes, you want to invest in stocks, you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you want to invest in AI, in technology, you want to do all of that. But before you can get to that, have you tackled the 4 basics of financial management? And as we have said, the first one is budgeting. Do you know how to budget your money? Whenever you get your income, do you have a list of your expenses that you have already prepared? Do you know what percentage you are allocating towards your savings and investments? Do you have a plan for clearing your debts? So the first thing is budget. You need to learn. It doesn't matter how much you're earning. Yeah, you could be earning 5,000, you could be earning 10,000, you could be earning 100,000, you could be earning 1,000,000. Yeah, the question is, do you know how to budget what you have? Do you know how to budget what is within your reach? So the first thing that you need to learn is about budgeting. Yeah, and then the second thing after you've learned how to budget is get into the habit of saving and then investing. Okay, so first of all, you need to cultivate that culture of saving, putting aside a certain percentage of your income to cater for your investments. Okay, what percentage are you allocating for your savings? And you don't have to start with 20% immediately if you have never tried to save. So what you could start with a smaller percentage. If you're a person that likes to surprise themselves, then go all in. If you can, go with 30, 40 or 50%, especially if you're a young person, you do not have much responsibilities right now, you can go as much as you want to. So do you have that discipline? Have you cultivated that discipline of saving? And after you've done that, now transition to investing. That which you have been saving. Find ways that money does not just sit around, it's being eaten away by inflation. Find a way you can be able to invest it and get a return on it. All right? After you've learned how to budget, you've cultivated the discipline of saving and investing. Number 3, your debts, your list of debts. How are your debts? Create a list of all the debts that you have. Then find a way to tackle those debts. All right? So you can use the avalanche method or you can use the snowball method to tackle your debt. We have spoken about how you can be able to manage your money while in debt. Find that video, watch it, and then see the ways that you can be able to tackle your debt. Okay? After you've tackled your debt, emergency fund. Do you have an emergency fund? You need to create your emergency fund. Okay, because should anything happen, you have really worked hard, you've cleared all your debt, yeah, you've learned how to budget, you have some savings locked away somewhere, and they are probably you've already invested them, and then something happens, yeah, a rainy day comes and you have no umbrella, you have no backup. What will you do? You'll either have to take away from your investments that are growing somewhere, or you'll go back into debt trying to solve that emergency that has come up. And that is why an emergency fund is very important. Okay, it gives you that caution, it gives you that balance, it gives you that comfort of this is life, things happen, and when it happens, at least I will have some breathing space because I have some form of caution that I have set aside. Okay, so guys, money management is very simple, yeah, and it comes down to the 4 things that we've spoken about. That is budgeting, saving and investing, debt clearance, and finally emergency fund. Okay, after you've been able to master those 4, then now you are confident enough in going for the big things. Okay, you are confident enough in investing in the big assets. All right, so guys, that is it for today. Please remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Also, remember to leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you. Like the video, give it a thumbs up if it helped you. Share it to as many people as possible. And let us ensure that we grow together in this financial journey. Okay, so until next time, God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful time. Bye.